Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to enable call recording on iPhone iOS 26. So at first open settings, scroll down, click onto apps, scroll down and find here to phone apps. Open this, scroll down and showing you to call recording option. You just make sure to turn on this option. Okay, I'm already turned on and now I'm check. So look here, not showing it to call recording option, it's showing when call is received. Okay, no call is received. Click on to more option, then showing it to call recording, just tap on, then start this call recording. So that's it.